Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications of this XIAOMI. Start by going into Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing DevCheck. Now you need to download this free app from this developer and simply open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!